Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's 16-foot by 48-inch Elite Frame above-ground pool. Enjoy some fun in the sun with the Summer Wave's 16-foot Elite Frame pool. Made with durable and puncture-resistant materials, this pool comes with a strong metal frame. Its oval frame tubes are 30% stronger than traditional round tubes to ensure the setup comes easy and that your swimmers will have a safe time. The pool also comes with a SureStep Ladder for you to get into the pool conveniently and safely. Get the most of your summer cooling off in this premium pool. Product benefits. Made with durable polyester mesh and puncture-resistant materials. Includes SFX1500 SkimmerPlus Filter Pump 110 to 120 volt that cleans your pool with skimmer and filter dual functions. Includes SureStep Ladder, pool cover, deluxe maintenance kit, ground cloth, Type-C filter cartridge, and repair patch. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.